Hey everyone, let's talk about ARVI, a cool town in the Wardha district of Maharashtra, India. This place is often overlooked, but it has so much to offer. From its serene environment to its rich history, ARVI is truly a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. It's known for being super peaceful, so much so that people call it the City of Joy and the tension-free city. Imagine walking through streets where everyone knows each other and the sense of community is palpable. It's a place where you can truly unwind and feel at home. ARVI is located in the central part of Maharashtra, which makes it easy to get to from other cities. Whether you're coming from Nagpur, Wardha or any other nearby city, the journey is quite convenient. The roads are well maintained and the scenic drive adds to the charm of visiting this quaint town. It's about 70 kilometers southeast of Nagpur. This proximity to a major city makes ARVI an ideal weekend getaway. You can escape the hustle and bustle of city life and find solace in the tranquil surroundings of ARVI. ARVI has a really interesting history. The town has seen various phases of development from ancient times to the colonial era. Each period has left its mark, making ARVI a fascinating place for history buffs. It became a pretty important place during the British Raj. The British influence is evident in the architecture and layout of the town. Walking through ARVI is like taking a step back in time, with colonial-era buildings standing as a testament to its historical significance. The Shakuntala Express train connected ARVI to other parts of India, making it a busy transportation hub. This train was crucial for trade and communication, and its legacy continues to be a point of pride for the locals. ARVI is also known as the City of Saints because lots of important religious figures have lived there. The town is dotted with temples and religious sites that attract pilgrims and spiritual seekers from all over the country. Today, ARVI is a busy town known for its farming and small businesses. The local economy thrives on agriculture, with lush fields and hardworking farmers, contributing to the town's prosperity. The markets are vibrant, offering a glimpse into the daily lives of the residents. It's a great place for tourists who want to see temples, historical sites, and beautiful nature. Whether you're interested in exploring ancient temples, learning about the town's history, or simply enjoying the natural beauty, ARVI has something for everyone. It's a really neat mix of history, culture, and nature, making it a perfect place to relax and see what India is all about. So, if you're looking for a unique travel experience, consider visiting ARVI. You'll leave with a deeper appreciation for this hidden gem in Maharashtra. Farming is super important to ARVI. This small town thrives on agriculture, and it's the lifeblood of the community. The fields stretch out as far as the eye can see, and the farmers work tirelessly to ensure a bountiful harvest. Their dedication and hard work are evident in every row of crops. The land is great for growing things thanks to its rich, fertile soil. This soil is a gift from nature, providing the perfect foundation for a variety of crops. From the air, you can see the patchwork of fields, each one a testament to the farmer's efforts. And the weather is just right for farming. With plenty of sunshine and just the right amount of rain, the climate here is ideal for agriculture. The clear blue skies and warm temperatures create the perfect environment for crops to flourish. Farmers in ARVI use both old and new ways of farming, so they have a good harvest every year. They combine traditional methods, passed down through generations, with modern technology to maximize their yields. This blend of old and new ensures that they can adapt to changing conditions and continue to thrive. Cotton, soybeans, and wheat are the main crops grown in ARVI, and these crops are the backbone of the local economy. Each season, the fields are filled with these essential plants, providing food and resources for the community. And lots of families depend on these crops to make a living. Farming is not just a job here, it's a way of life. Entire families work together in the fields, from planting to harvesting, ensuring that they can sustain themselves and their community. There are some cool projects happening in ARVI to help farmers. These initiatives aim to support and improve agricultural practices, providing farmers with the tools and knowledge they need to succeed. One of these is called CAIM, which stands for Convergence of Agricultural Interventions in Maharashtra. This project brings together various resources and expertise to help farmers improve their techniques and increase their productivity. It teaches farmers about organic farming and how to use natural methods to keep bugs away from their crops. By adopting these sustainable practices, farmers can reduce their reliance on chemical pesticides and create a healthier environment for their crops and themselves. Water is really important for farming, and ARVI gets its water from the ARVI River and its smaller streams. These water sources are vital for irrigation, ensuring that the crops receive the moisture they need to grow. The ARVI River project is a big plan to help the river and streams stay healthy. This initiative focuses on maintaining and improving the water quality, ensuring that the river can continue to support the agricultural needs of the community. The project is trying to make sure there's enough water for farming. By implementing sustainable water management practices, the project aims to secure a reliable water supply for the future, helping farmers to continue their vital work. ARVI has a really interesting culture. It has many old temples that people visit from all over Maharashtra. The Sri Ambadevi temple is one of the most famous temples in ARVI. It's dedicated to Goddess Amba and is known for its beautiful design and carvings. Festivals are a big part of life in ARVI. Mahashivratri, a Hindu festival for Lord Shiva, is celebrated with lots of excitement. People from all over come to ARVI for Mahashivratri, and the town is full of parades, music and dancing. The people of ARVI are very welcoming and friendly. They are proud of their traditions. Life in ARVI is peaceful and relaxing, which is a nice change from busy city life. ARVI is surrounded by beautiful nature, which makes it a great place for people who love the outdoors. The town is nestled amidst lush green landscapes, dense forests, and majestic mountain ranges that offer a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Whether you're an avid hiker, a nature enthusiast, or someone looking to unwind in the lap of nature, ARVI has something for everyone. There are many fun places to visit in and near ARVI. Families can enjoy a relaxing picnic at one of the many scenic spots, while adventure seekers can explore the numerous trails and viewpoints that offer breathtaking vistas of the surrounding landscape. The area is perfect for both leisurely strolls and more challenging hikes. You can enjoy quiet nature or explore historical sites. The tranquility of the natural surroundings provides a perfect backdrop for reflection and relaxation. For history buffs, the region is dotted with ancient ruins and historical landmarks that tell the story of its rich cultural heritage. Semado Lake is a popular spot near ARVI. This picturesque lake, surrounded by rolling hills, is a haven for those looking to indulge in water activities or simply soak in the natural beauty. The calm waters and scenic backdrop make it an ideal location for photography enthusiasts as well. It's a peaceful lake surrounded by hills. The serene environment of Semado Lake offers a perfect escape for those looking to unwind and connect with nature. The gentle ripples of the water and the chirping of birds create a soothing symphony that calms the mind and soul. You can go boating and have a picnic there. The lake is equipped with facilities for boating, allowing visitors to explore its tranquil waters. Families can also enjoy a delightful picnic by the lakeside, making it a perfect spot for a day out in nature. Hurricane Point and Devi Point have amazing views of the hills. These vantage points offer panoramic views of the surrounding hills and valleys, providing a breathtaking experience for visitors. The scenic beauty from these points is truly mesmerizing, especially during sunrise and sunset. Gavigad is another cool place nearby. This ancient fort with its rich history and stunning architecture is a must-visit for history enthusiasts. The fort offers a glimpse into the region's past and provides a unique perspective on its cultural heritage. It's an old fort with temples and caves. The fort is home to several ancient temples and caves, each with its own historical significance. Exploring these structures offers a fascinating journey through time, revealing the stories and legends of the past. In ARVI, the Taichamala Agro-Tourism and Adventure Park is a unique place to visit. This park combines the charm of rural life with the thrill of adventure activities, making it a perfect destination for families and adventure seekers alike. Visitors can engage in hands-on farming activities and learn about sustainable agriculture. You can learn about farming and do some fun activities. The park offers educational tours that provide insights into modern farming techniques and sustainable practices. Visitors can also participate in various farm tasks, making it a fun and educational experience for all ages. Jaistam is a historical monument that celebrates the Maratha warriors. This monument stands as a tribute to the bravery and valor of the Maratha warriors, offering a glimpse into the region's proud history. The The site is a popular spot for history enthusiasts and those looking to pay homage to the past. There's also the Pachdara place, a serene location that combines natural beauty with historical significance. This spot is perfect for those looking to explore the region's history while enjoying its scenic landscapes. Ashti Dam, Daga Forest, Kardam Spillway, Panchdara Waterfall and Lake Coco are other notable attractions. Each of these places offers a unique experience, from the tranquil waters of the dam to the lush greenery of the forest and the mesmerizing beauty of the waterfall. Each place has its own special charm. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or a journey through history, ARVI and its surroundings have something to offer for everyone. The diverse attractions ensure that every visitor leaves with unforgettable memories. It's easy to get to ARVI from other big cities in Maharashtra. You can travel by road or train. The closest airport is Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar International Airport in Nagpur. From there, you can take a taxi or bus to ARVI. ARVI has a bus station with regular buses to nearby cities like Wardha and Nagpur. ARVI has a train station too, but not all trains stop there. Wardha Junction is a bigger train station about 30 kilometers from ARVI. It has trains to many cities across India. From Wardha, you can easily get a taxi or bus to ARVI. Once you're in ARVI, auto rickshaws are a good way to get around. You can also rent a bicycle or just walk around. ARVI is a small town and most places are close to each other. ARVI has a tropical climate. Summers from March to May are hot and humid. It can get up to 40 degrees Celsius, so it's probably best not to visit during those months. The monsoon season from June to September brings rain and cools things down. It's a nice time to visit. Winters, from October to February, are mild and pleasant. The weather is great for sightseeing. ARVI is a safe and friendly town. The people are nice and helpful. It's always a good idea to be respectful of local customs and traditions. It's also good to dress modestly, especially when visiting religious sites. ARVI is a hidden treasure in Maharashtra. It's got history, culture, and beautiful nature. From old temples and historical places to peaceful lakes and pretty landscapes, ARVI has something for everyone. The town's farming, vibrant culture and friendly people make it a great place to visit if you want to see what India is really like. So, if you are looking for a unique place that is both charming and interesting, ARVI is perfect for you. Come explore its hidden treasures, learn about its culture and enjoy the peace and quiet. ARVI is waiting for you.